been to quite a few countries, been to over 100 countries. I think this will be a truly great experience here. The chance to walk to the base of an 8,000 metre peak. I've been in high mountains before, yeah. So I've been in the Alps, obviously, I've been in the Andes, been to the Himalayas, Nepal. I think this is a top experience. Yeah, Nanga Parbat so far. Had a great time, everyone's been friendly. Yeah, it's been great so far, yeah. We have another week left, but everything so far has been brilliant. Yeah, they've been very welcoming. Everyone comes to speak to us and says hello, yeah. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it, yeah. So today we leave here now, go to the base and travel on to Karimabad.
This is my first time in Pakistan. I wanted to come to this country for many years, and finally I decided to come by myself because I want to meet the culture, the people in the mountains, the trekking, and so far I'm having a very nice experience. I love it. It's really beautiful. I have never witnessed this. I have been in Everest base camp. Okay. I've seen the Everest close, but this is actually more majestic. It's absolutely perfect. I really love it. I really love it. It's very beautiful, authentic, and very, at some places, it's very raw and very authentic. That's what makes it beautiful. I found the people very nice, very hospitality, and very polite. This is my, I think, the 5th day here. We visit Peran village, Ecuador, then in Nepal, Morocco, Iceland, Norway, Greenland, Canada, Finland. They are all nice. Everyone is unique. Everyone is unique. I would say one place that is totally different than the other, and you cannot find it anywhere in the world, is Greenland. My plan is to go to Hansa Valley, we'll visit some other villages, and then I'm gonna come back to Islamabad.